Hey everyone, Delvon Digital here, and I'm here to take you on a POV photo shoot. Let you see what I see through my eyes. So I'm not going to sit here and bore you with a lot of talking and jabber jabber, but go ahead. So pop your popcorn, grab your juice, relax, and let's get right into this video. All right, stand right there in the middle. All right. All right, so give me like a business type jump like this, and then turn, twist your body here, kind of like that. Yep. Perfect. Yep. All right, then the coat like this. So, yeah, but your hands, so like beyond, yeah, there you go. Open your legs up.
Like you said, legs apart?
Yep. That's it. And give me like a lean to more, yeah, there you go. Perfect. Got it. Turn sideways, and then bring your coat back like this. Put your hands, yeah, kind of like that, and give me a lean. Yeah. Perfect. Nice. All right. Got that. Let's go this way because I got Crocs. Sorry, I want to go across the street to this gate.
Okay.
Keep forgetting I gotta hold this out. We're gonna come in the street. So when we get over here to this white fence, you're gonna like stand up behind it and put your arms up on it like that, and then you're gonna lean your head forward down like that. Yeah. No. In the street.
Oh.
I actually want you on the street side. No, turn your back. Yep. And your hands up there like that. Yeah. Yep. And then kind of give me a yep. Perfect. All right, turn straight. So bring your body off it. Put your hand up there like that. Actually, come closer to this white part right here, and put your arm up there like that. Yep. And give me more of a lean. This way. Yeah. Okay, got it. All right, we're definitely gonna get this street shot. You got the perfect outfit for the set. I ain't gonna lie. All right, so you're gonna stand in between the yellow lines over here. I'm gonna shoot that way. You let me know if anybody comes, and I'll let you know if anybody comes. Yep. All right, let's do your.
Coming already.
Somebody coming already? Dang. All right. All right. Do your coat got pockets, or are they real?
I think so.
They're not real. Okay, look like you're closing it up.
Like this?
No, close up your coat like you're closing it up. Yeah, like that. Perfect. I want to swap sides because I think the light hits better from that side. All right, so your feet gonna be like this, and then you're gonna do the same thing. Dang. The light is better, but we got a car. To your head. There we go. Car. I think I got it though. All right. Come on now. How you doing? All right. Let's see. Try leaning your back here. Hold on. Wait.
The dude look kind of clay though.
I don't think it's
Does that
coming
come
on.
off?
Yeah, no. I don't, cause that jacket fresh.
Right.
All right. All right, let me bring the ISO up a little bit. Here we go. All right, put your left hand. Yeah, kind of like that. And give me like a mouth open a little bit. Yeah. Perfect. All right, now you're gonna turn your head to lean like that. There you go. All right, and then take the other hand like this. Yep. Perfect. Got it. All right. Let's go further down. Yeah, stand under the pole. So you're gonna wrap one arm around it, like that. Separate your legs. Touch your head like that. Let's see. Dang. Dang. Stay. I want to go further back. Okay. Trying to get the light. There we go. All right, now I'm coming a little tighter. All right. Actually, put your back to it now, but from this angle right here. Yeah. And then I just want your top shoulder so your feet and everything else is gonna come off all the way out here. So probably about here, this far. So it's kind of like you're holding yourself up with your back. Yep. Just like that. Perfect. Got it. Dang, these things looking good. I gotta start shooting more natural light.
I know.
God, bro, it's so much easier to. I gotta lug around a flash. Whew. All right. So I need you to sit down up here. All right. So you're gonna have your coat hang on the back side, so don't sit on it. All right. You're gonna open your legs, put your hands in the middle. All right. And then you're gonna give me a lean forward towards me. Yeah, kind of like that. Perfect. Put one hand like this. Like this. Yeah. Kind of like this though. No, you put in one finger.
Like this?
Yeah. But I want to catch it at an angle. Swap the hand, swap the hand. Lean forward again. Yeah, let me see how this looks. I semi like it, semi don't. You come off it. All right, let's go. All right, you get on this pole. Like this. Don't this part right here. So give me like this. Then bring your foot like this. But I'm gonna shoot. So you gotta face me this way. I'm shooting towards that way.
So, like
so 1 foot straight, and the other one, it's like a broken knee. Yeah, there you go. Perfect. All right. Stand right there, dead in the center. Turn your back. Turn your face that way. Yep, face that way. Then you're gonna turn your head towards me. That's it. Chin up. There you go. Try. So plain back there. Try bring the coat to show part of your thigh on this side, or part of your butt. Yeah, yeah, a little bit like that. But put your hands. You can put your hands like this. No, the other hand can stay. That one, the right hand. The left hand could go like this if you want. Yeah, there you go. That's it. Perfect. Now don't move. Take the right hand, put it up here where I can kind of see it. Yep, that's it. Perfect. Chin up and mouth open slightly. That's it. That's it. That's the money. All right. All right. So you see that open sign right there?
Yeah.
I want your back against that window. I'm gonna get that light above you as well. Yep. All right. You can cross your arms again like you did in the street. Yep. Perfect. I put both arms up above your head. Let me see how that look. That's gonna look right or not. Nah, put it down. I tried. Gotta try things. Somebody got that pizza though. This sign, look, nah. All right. We'll go to those stairs around that area over there. All right, so this is where I wanna come at. So, let me see, yep. Well, let's do the tables though, because I like these tables. Let me see, because I like these lights.
Yeah, this is different.
Yeah.
Let's. Opposite end?
Yeah, no. Sit on the green one. That's my favorite. No, sit on this one.
This one?
Yeah. No, but this way. I'm sorry. Right here at the top. Let's get this lighting good. No, not liking the pose. Stand up. Oh, I got it. Stand up at the edge right here. Cross your arms. Yeah, come closer, because you're like right under light. Yeah. That was so much better. Okay. Now you can do the stairs. So you're gonna go walk up the stairs on this side right here and have your hand on the rail and stop like midway. Yeah, and look back. You got it. Keep going, because you gotta go up kind of far. Keep going. That should be good right there. Then you give me a look back. Yep. Let me see. Chin up a little bit more. There we go. All right. That white balance was thrown off on that one, but I'm fine. All right, stay where you are. Let me see. I'll put both hands stretched out like that. Yeah. Let's see.
White balance?
Yeah. Okay, I got it. I do like it though. All right, let's go over there, and then that should be our wrap up. All right, just kind of stand by the window. I know we gotta make it fast because it's gonna be awkward.
I'm gonna be looking at them?
No, you're looking at me.
Okay.
Cross your arms.
Okay.
Cross your arms. Yep. Oh crap, keep forgetting to do this in the viewfinder. Dang, that drink looks so good. Open your mouth a little bit. There we go.
Let me see. Oh, that's nice.
Facts, it's gonna be even better when I edit that jank. All right, and then, oh yeah, I got you. Let's do your, still like a profile shot, and we're done. So it could be for your, yeah, LinkedIn. I was trying to get it out. Let's just do it right here in the middle instead. So you're gonna put your hands right here, like your business, no, like on your coat.
Like
Yeah, like that. That's it. Perfect. Got it. I'll turn sideways. I like to do it the same thing. Hold the coat. Let me see how I look. All right. Yeah. Whoop, just missed that focus. Got it. All right.
Oh, I like that. Yeah, that's professional.
Yeah.
I like it.
All right, we're good to go. So if you enjoyed that video, please be sure to hit that like, subscribe, and share button. And please come back here for more content like this. And I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.